Good day. I consider that the planet Earth has been exponential and negatively impacted by the evolution of man is the dominant race. Although the transformation that we have carried on in our environment has been aiming and persevering and improving our quality of life, it is evident that this development has generated irreversible damage to the environment. Hand in hand with technological development, which has been vertiginous, especially in recent decades, we have on the slash an acceleration deterioration and the planet condition, global warming, ocean pollution, poor and quality, and deforestation have path in critical direction in future of our society. We can recognize that new technologies have made it possible to create systems and development that are friendly to the environment. This is the case of clean energies, new forms of mobility, and industrialization of recycling. Despite the carbon footprint that we emit when using the technological resource of the current situation is quite high. In my opinion, the environmental damage generated by technology is much greater than the friendly use that are generated to it. The consumption-based society has negatively impacted the planet Earth, was an accumulate rapidly in our ecosystem. Climate change and being accentuated in recent decades, and we have industrialization pollution. Unfortunately, technological development are largely focused on increasing buses assets and the expense of environmental well-being. This erroneous approach to the management of technology will lead the planet to an unsustainable crisis that will bring multiple environmental consequences, all of them disastrous for the human being. I believe that if the way in which society defines its priorities is not changed in a very future close, we will be victims of our own naivety. With such a discovering environmental outlook, it is necessary to carry out a profound restructuration of our economic model, establish its priority to stop and the future reserve the harmful effect that we have creation and the ecosystem. The measures taken must be aimed at reducing the production and wastage of materials by a large percentage. We must migrate our energy consumption to clean technologies with clear environmental policies agreed between governments and society for the common good. It is necessary to discourage the use of fossil fuels, single-use plastic, and renewable resources based in the recycling and reducing of the highest percentage of our waste. Companies worldwide must seek a sustainable way to generate income, respecting emission and caring for water or universal good. The political theory must be generated based on the protection of the environment and not on economic and power interests that currently dominate the world. If we don't know radical change our consumer society, the destruction of our planet will be inevitable.